In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use maps on Garmin Forerunner 945. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This particular model of Garmin Forerunner watch offers GPS and navigation tools. So in order to use maps on this particular watch, just navigate through the menus. So you go up and down through the menus, and eventually one of the options is going to be map. It should be close to the bottom, and by selecting map from the menu here, you will be able to have a live view GPS. So it is simple to use and it is always going to be available. It is also going to be available for different activities, and the map might be different visually if you select a particular activity. So you might see a topography map, for example. You might see different looking visuals, but the point is you will always be able to use a map on your Garmin Forerunner 945. You don't have to download any additional applications. You don't have to set anything up through the Garmin Connect application. However, if you go through the Garmin Connect app, you can create custom courses. So if you want to have a set up course already, go into the app, choose courses, and you will be able to configure it here. So you tap the plus sign and you set up the course however you prefer. By creating the course this way, you will be able to import it into your device by tapping on it here and then choosing the import option. And once it has been sent to your Garmin Forerunner, you will be able to find it under the navigation options and initiate that course. So you can create a specific course for running, for other activities. And once everything has been set up, you will be able to load it up here and use the map. If you want a map that you can use at any time outside of activities, just browse through all of the options by going up and down on the menu, and you will find it here with your live location. The app is optional and you will be able to get this done by downloading it to create your custom course. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect and use maps on Garmin Forerunner 945. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.